Hi, my name is Gabriel Gurley, and today I'm going to discuss how to save LibreOffice text documents in various formats, including the Microsoft Word file format as well as PDF. LibreOffice is one of my favorite office suites and has all the features I need to create documents. However, working in an enterprise environment, I am often exchanging files with other users who are unaware of the open document format or how to open them. If you find yourself in a similar situation, don't fear. LibreOffice makes it easy to be able to save your documents in various formats, including the Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF file formats. I will review two ways in which you can let LibreOffice save a text document in the Microsoft Word format, by either manually selecting to save the document by selecting the Microsoft Word file type, or by configuring LibreOffice to select Microsoft Word as the default file format for saving your documents. I will also review how to export your documents in a PDF file. First, I'm going to review how to save a LibreOffice text document in the Microsoft Word file format by manually selecting to save the document within the file type when you select Save As. To begin, I'm going to open up a document I have created in LibreOffice. So here I have my text document that's been formatted and created in LibreOffice. Just like you would any other normal document, when you get ready to save the file, you would go to File and choose Save As. Here you would type in the name of the file that you would like to have for your document. Select your location, and finally, when you get the file type, typically LibreOffice selects the ODF text document format as its default file format. However, LibreOffice gives you a number of options to save the document as. When you click on the pop-up menu, here are all your selections that you have available for saving your document. That includes Microsoft Word 97 through 2003, a standard doc file, Microsoft Word 2003 XML files, as well as the Microsoft Word 2007 and 2010 XML format, or docx files. For this example, I'm going to select the older doc format. It's going to automatically put the file name extension on the document, and then you click Save. By default in LibreOffice, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to save the document in the Microsoft Word format as opposed to ODF format. Simply select Use Microsoft Word, and the document will be saved as a regular Microsoft Office 97 through 2003 doc file. And of course, if you don't have Microsoft Office, this document will still open in LibreOffice. You can open doc files and be able to edit them and save changes as well. But if you were to send this to a user who receives the document, they will be able to open this document up with Microsoft Word. Next, I'm going to review how to configure LibreOffice to select Microsoft Word as the default file format for saving your documents. To begin, I'm going to select my document here, and if you're using a Windows or a Linux version of LibreOffice, you would go to Tools, and then there would be an option down at the bottom called Options, and you would select that. I'm using the Macintosh version, so on the Macintosh version of LibreOffice, I would go to the LibreOffice menu and select Preferences. If you're running the Windows or Linux version, when you go to Tools and select Options, you'll see a window very similar to this. Next, go to Load and Save over here on the left, and then select General. Gives you a number of options here, but where you want to focus in at is at the bottom. The document type would be a text document, and here it says always save as an ODF text document. That's its current default. If you want to change that default to another format, you would simply click here and then go in and select the file format you wish to save as by default. In this case, I'm going to again select Microsoft Word 97 through 2003 and then click OK. Now when I go to select File and select Save As, you notice now the file type by default will select as Microsoft Word 97 through 2003. In our prior example, it was selecting the open document text format, and then we would have to manually change it to ODT. In this example, if we wanted to go back and change it to an open document formatted text document, we could do so. But by default, now LibreOffice is always going to select this as your default version. If you're exchanging files on a regular basis with Microsoft Office users and you don't want to have to try to remember to change your file type each time you go to save a document, you can use the method I just described to select Microsoft Word as your default file format. Finally, I'm going to review how you can export a LibreOffice document in the PDF format. To do so, simply go to the File menu and choose Export as PDF. When you do so, you get this window opened where you have various options. You can select a range of pages, a certain selection, or all of the pages. You can also select lossless compression, or typically JPEG compression is adequate with a higher quality. As long as you don't need any other specialized options such as a PDF A-1A file format, you can just leave everything else as is and click Export. There it will give you the option to change the Save As name for the document. Notice by default that the file type is PDF and will automatically give the file name extension. Click Save, and now your document is saved as a PDF.